Attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone. This is Krishang. Welcome again to my webinar. So today's webinar is on our Pro Terminals, that is the advanced trading platform of our HDFC Securities. So today we will discuss like how Pro Terminal will be help to take a opportunity into the market, or how you can analyze any particular stock, and how you can it will give you the accurate not you can say it will give the most accurate decision taking in the market itself, right? So let's everyone can join, so let's wait for the 2 minutes. In the meantime, I just want to ask one question, like should I do webinar in Hindi or English, or in the both languages? Please write down in the question box, so we'll do the webinar accordingly. Thank you everyone. Thanks for the input. I'll do in the both languages, because some are saying Hindi, some are saying English, some are saying in the both languages. So I will try to do in the both languages. Okay. So let's start the topic of advanced trading platform of Pro Terminal. And first we will understand how we can subscribe for the Pro Terminal, how you can take your access with in your account. So firstly, as you can see on the in my screen, we are on the free login page, right? So यहाँ पे आपको you have to click on the product. You have to, when you click on the product, in the first column you can see the hashtag go digital over here. So in that you can find the second option is Pro Terminal. यहाँ पे आपको click करना है. यहाँ पे click करने के बाद it will ask for your the credentials and all. After that you have to click on the terms and conditions, and then I just click on the subscribe now. After 48 within 48 hours, your Pro Terminal will be will get a access of Pro Terminal. And there is some charges for the Pro Terminal is 1,999 plus GST, but we do have some offers in by the in the derivative value plans. So we have given the offer, like if you click on the product again, and in the derivative column you can find the derivative value plan. So if you already have a derivative privilege in your account, so basically you will get a derivative plan or value plan option over here, that the charges of 199 plus GST, that means it around 234 to 235 rupees. So it will, you will get a 20 rupees per order for future options, zero interest on derivative margin paid as place, and free Pro Terminal for the 1 year. So यहाँ पे आपको डेरिवेटिव प्रिविलेज पे भी आप एक्टिवेट करोगे, वहां से वैल्यू प्लान एक्टिवेट करेंगे, तो आपको यहाँ पे 199 पे आपको प्लान मिल जाएगा. Plus we also running some campaigns and marketing campaigns basically. So in that also we have giving some free Pro Terminal to the customers who have eligibility to get eligibility of like brokerage and all. We have a different parameters for that, so you just check with your respective relationship manager or the branch manager. So वहां पे भी आपको एक consider किया जाएगा. Okay, so by this way you will get a access of pro terminal. So how you can log into the pro terminal basically? So basically we do have a two platform. One is empowered, another is pro terminal. So empowered is our basic platform. Okay, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आप you can only do the buy and sell of the stock. But if you want to analyze some stock, if you want to see the studies, how you want to study the stock particular, like how the market is more, like how the fundamental or technically strong of that script. So you have to, like अब वो आपको empowered में वो facilities नहीं है. But if you get access of pro terminal, आपको सारे facilities वहाँ पे मिलेगा. So basically आपको, like if you get access, if you get a access once, so you have to just normal login in your account. You just right now your you have to just put your credentials over here. After that it will ask for the pass OTP. So after the OTP it will log in into our empowered. Okay, basically in this platform you will log in. But after that, if you want to switch to the pro terminal, you can see the pro terminal option over here. In the blue ribbon you can see the menu option over there, the pro terminal. In the right hand side, the third option is a pro terminal. Just have to click on the pro terminal, it will directly switch to the pro terminal itself. Okay, so here you can like you don't have to again write on your credential and all. आपको उसी switch पे आपको pro terminal switch कर दिया जाएगा. ठीक है, pro terminal पे redirect कर दिया जाएगा आपको. Okay, so I just suggest you कि just note down the all the points which we will discuss today. So अगर कोई भी questions होगा या कोई भी like if you have a queries and question, so that we will discuss after the session itself. Okay, so how it is advanced with the with the basic platform from empowered. कैसे ये नया चीज अलग करती है pro terminal को. So basically as you can see on my screen, this is a watch list. So this is not a normal watch list actually. So as you can see in our empowered, you can only add 50 scripts into the watch list system. But in our empowered you can add 5 buckets, and in the each bucket you can add 50 scripts. That means you can add total 250 scripts into our watch list. So that's great, because the thing is like कि अगर आपके अकाउंट में like multi persons login कर रहे हैं, for example आपका एक family account है, in that account your your father is also logging, your daughter is also your sister is also logging. So यहाँ पे आपको एक confusion होता है default watch list में. That like यहाँ पे आपको वो confusion को clear करने के लिए we have add 5 different buckets. और otherwise if you are multi investors, like कि अगर आप invest भी करते हो, trade भी करते हो the future and options, so that also you can segregate by the bucket wise. तो यहाँ पे you will get a benefit. So how you can add the watch list from here? As you can see on the screen, this is our yellow button over here. You have to click here, right? So in that you can when you click over here, it will create your watch list. If you can save, आपका watch list बन जाएगा. Just like I have already made my watch list over here. After, if you want to add scripts, so you have to just click on the blue symbol, click over here. I just add one particular stock, Reliance Industries. As you can see, it's already added. Fine. So let's move forward. Like as you can see, I already said this is not a normal watch list. So if you are some of our investors saying like this competitor giving you the term like 3-month average, and this you are the sector wise circuit limit. There are many more options in the watch list itself. So what we have to do, you can also customize your watch list according to your preferences. As you can see on the screen, suppose as you can see in the right hand of my screen, that's an edit column over here. Just click on this edit column, or whatever you want to add over here. Like if you want to add VWAP, yesterday high low, 1 month high low, 52-week high low, or you want to add a 3-month percentage change, or VWAP percent, 6-month percentage, health score, sector wise, and long-term signals, technical alerts, events. So I have add so many options over here. Okay, click on the save changes, and as you can see on my screen, all the column has been added over here. Also you can, if you want to if you want to see like if मुझे VWAP यहाँ नहीं मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए, so you can drag this column to this over here. तो इट्स अ वेरी इजी कंसेप्ट, तो आपको बहुत ही इजीली आपको यहाँ पे वॉच लिस्ट में हेल्प हो जाएगी, राइट? Similarly, you can also find like a predefined views we are providing in our watch list. Like for example, those who are the investors, those who are the traders, like a newly technical, they want उनको चार्ट समझ में नहीं आता, लाइक वेयर दे आर प्लॉटिंग, लाइक कहाँ से उनको चार्ट में प्लॉट करना है, हाउ टू गेट अ पाइवट पॉइंट्स, रेजिस्टेंस, and moving averages and all. So don't worry about it. So you just click on the predefined view by the default, just click over here. So we have given the five different parameters, so you can signify it over there. Like example, if you want to see the technical of your favorite script, just click on the technical. So all the technical will be provided in your watch list itself. So you don't have to go to the charts and plot all the lines, channels and all. So here you can find the all the so those who are the intraday traders, it's very helpful to them. So though for the investors, they who want to see the like what is the returns of the company, what is the financial or a growth. So if you want to see the financial of your favorite script, you don't have to go to the search on the single stock. All we are providing in the single screen itself, as you can see on my the screen. Like sales, operating profit, and all are into the real time. So we are updating on the real time basically. Okay, so this is a very helpful to you to get all the information in the in the same page, right? Similarly, if you want to see the charts of any particular stock, so as you can see on this my screen, so this is a icon over of the chart option. So if you want to see any chart of your favorite script, just click over here, it will redirect to the chart section. So as you can see, so by default 1 minute chart has been opened. So if you want to if you want to see the like 15 minutes or what is the, this is a time interval, so basically you have to click, so you can see the 15-minute, 1 hour, daily charts, weekly, monthly. So you can filter out yourself of which time preferences you want. And also we have some studies, like we have a 75 plus studies, like if you want to put a super trend, RSI, a Bollinger Band and all, so you can also put from here. This for example, I want to see the Bollinger Band. Just click on the Bollinger Band and it will already customize in your chart itself. Okay, similarly you can also add RSI, so you can add n number of studies in the single charts, but I think the most probably only 3 to 4 studies are very is like ये भी बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, 3 to 4 स्टडीज भी, like basically minimum 3 स्टडीज भी बहुत है, ठीक है? आप स्ट्रीट if you put 3 studies is enough actually basically, right? So if you want to put a line and all, like if you want to add Fibonacci levels or channels you want to plot, so you have to just click on this pencil icon, just click on the draw and click select tool, and you can add from here itself, right? Similarly, if you want to see the multi-chart, so we have a one extension feature of chart over here. So you just click on the multi-chart facilities in the icon. So side by side, the 4 chart will open over here. Okay. And yes, you can see the chart section from here itself. Okay. Then we will move. Then we will search one particular stock. Okay, so here you can see that the four different chart has been open over there. So let's take the example of any one stock. So let's find out like how the screener has been used from this platform. So let's take the example of any stock like Reliance Industries. Okay, so here you can see the all the information is providing on the single screen. So we have like we given the all the studies in that 8 different parameters. As you can see, this is a overview, FNO, financial, technicals, news, peers comparisons, and strategy and option chain. So like in a like of the particular stocks, we can see the whole informations which you are finding with the different websites. Like if you want to see the news sections, if you are going to the BSC sites, NSE sites, like so same all the information is provided in a single screen, right? Because like if you searching on that particular website and again you are coming back to the HDFC Securities platform and you are logging and taking the position is like a very time consuming, right? So that's why the reason we have giving you the all the informations over here in the single screen, and that's the beauty of this platform, right? So let's take parameter one by one. So as you can see on the overview section, so there is been showing the option of chart, volume, valuations over here. Okay, so here it is showing on the real time. So if you see in the volumes, so it classified into the two different colors. Is one is like total volume is in the yellow color, and gray is in the delivery. So basically it will very easy to find out to anyone, right? So, and similarly if you want to see the charts over here and you can see the valuations, like the P ratio, PG ratio is already available in the like valuation. And also the shareholding pattern is also there, like if you want to see the shareholding patterns. So this is all in the update in the real time. Similarly कि अगर कल भी अगर कुछ अपडेट होती है BSc में, so like the same उन वहां से जैसे अपडेट होगी. So we have already tracking that BSc website. The likewise we had tracking the 35,000 plus website. So वहां पे कुछ भी and all are the genuine domain. So basically if you like कोई भी अगर वेबसाइट्स पे हम लोग ट्रैक करते हैं, so हम लोग we are like make sure that the genuine is like the domain is genuine. Okay, so there's like nothing fishy over here. And also you can see the seasonality charts like that. So on the last 5 years you can see the average of that particular stock in the. So here you can also identify like in the which month that stock has been giving the more return. So you can also track it down. So as you can know that uh, like the price action is like history repeat itself, right? तो यहाँ पे अगर पहले का कोई हिस्ट्री चेक करते हो तो definitely you can find over here. So you don't have to go to the charts and we have to go to like see all the like details from the like third party websites. So it's very confusion, like it's very time consuming. That's why the reason we have giving all the information in the pro terminal itself. Okay, so let's move to the FNO. So as you know, like like equity is not a like exposure. Like as you can see that future option is very helpful. It will give you the very good opportunity in the volatile market. So also you can also get all the opportunity. You can find the new studies like how you can take the position in the future option and how you can analyze it. So for this way we have giving the informations like a 15-minute build up is there. Okay, so as you can see this is the 15-minute build up. So we giving you the all the like OI build up, basically the open interest informations from the 9:15 to 3:30. So basically it's have a 25 like time intervals. In the each interval we have giving the zone wise, like it's a short build up, short covering, long build up, and long unwinding basically. So like by this we have also classified into the colors, so it's a very easy to understandable. And also we are giving the price zone. So in that particular time interval what is the price range of that particular future options that we are providing in this column. And also we have giving you the information like how many fresh contract has been traded or how many square of how many contract has been traded, squared off, and how much traded contract has been at that particular time interval. So all the information is giving you in the single screen. This is a very easily to understand, and I hope like it will very helpful to you, those who are trading in the future options, right? And also you can take a help from your respective relationship manager, right? So they can also help you out to understand, like give you the details in the mood, right? So again, we're back to the um, tab, and we have completed overview, we have completed feature options. Next we have next is financial. So basically you can see the all the financials of financial sheets of the company, like a balance sheet, cash flow, and you can see the profit and loss ratios, results, financial charts, and trend analysis. And also if you want, like if you don't understand this all the numbers, like how we can how can identify these numbers, and how, like if you want to see the overview of this all the combinations, so you can also see our a feature called health score parameter. So basically we have calculated this number in the 5 parameters and 25 different parameter, which is included value, growth, past, quality, and dividend. So if you want to click on the as we can see on my screen, that value is 0 of this company. So why we have given 0? As you know that Reliance is very, I know it's a nifty 50 car stock, and why we are giving the 0 value? So basically if you click on the value, so we giving the description over here, that's a fair value, it's overvalued, P ratios, expense ratio, and uh, price to book value ratio is also expensive. That's the reason we have giving the 0 value to the company, because this is not the right time to purchase, right? So yes, also you can see the description, so basically you can easily find it out, right? Similarly you can also find the technicals and numbers, like we have discussed before, like we have taken the example of the overall watch list script into the of the particular buckets, but here you can also identify the of the particulars, then levels of particular level levels, like pivot points, if you want to say, in the resistance, Fibonacci, Camarilla. So if you don't know like how to or where to, uh, like from where to plot the chart studies and tools in the charts, so here you can see. So basically you only have to do, just click on the a daily time frame over here. That's a 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, like 1 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. So basically you have to just only select the filter out your time interval, and we will give the all the information along with the outlook, like as you can see on the screen. This is we are also giving the level of moving averages, like 20, 50, 100, 200. That's the like basic one. So we are also giving the outlook of that like the particular stock, and this level, like all that you can see on the screen, it's showing the bearish as of now. Okay, and also if you want to see the RSI and stochastic MACD levels, or MACD MACD signals, that also providing in the right hand of the screen. Correct. Next is, you can see the news over here. So here it is, news. So all the news are in the update in the real time, basically. And basically we have providing the two news. One is article based news, and another one is social media news. As you know, the social media is also very important, mainly Twitter. So we are focusing on the Twitter. So we have tracked down the major companies Twitter account, and and the big analyst Twitter account to it. Like if you don't have a tweet account in the Twitter, and if you want to get an update of that particular stock, so we are giving the all the information. Suppose if Reliance tweeting like particular, like they are acquiting some like companies and all, and like the only any positive news, negative news, whatever they will tweet, so that tweet will be updated in that, in this particular screen. And this is very helpful to you, and you will get a regular update, right? And also we have given a recommendations, not recommendations like we also like giving the recommendation from the other broker house to get you the more assured to buy and sell of that particular companies. Like if HDFC giving you the recommendation to buy Reliance, but ICICI is giving you the like recommendation to do sell. So why they are giving the recommendation to giving you the sell? So if you click in this icon, it will redirect to that particular article, and you can read out the whole article, and you can take your decision accordingly. Right? Similarly, and you can also find out the peer comparison over here. So just click on the peers, and you can find the peer comparisons of the sectorial wise. And if you notice that, so we have given the buy sell option in every in every section, like as you can see. So if you are already in the Reliance Industry Limited ka page, and if you click on the peer comparison, and in that peer comparison you can see the competitor company over there, but आप वहां से भी you can buy, right? So we have given the buy sell option in the every section, so it's very easy to you know very easy to trade and very convenient to trade, right? Next we will move up to the strategy. So this is a like very complication subject, and you got features as you can see. So we have a separate webinar on this. इसके पहले भी एक webinar हो चुका है हमारा, so that I will already uh, uploaded in the YouTube. So please find that. So in the next section we will we will discuss on the strategy itself. Okay. And yes, one of the very good feature is option chain. So यहाँ पे in the empowered, or if you can say any platform, we are not giving the option chain ka facilities, but in the pro terminal you can find the whole option chain over here. And also you can you can also watch it out of the money as well. Just click on the show more, and yes, so all the whatever, you can also customize your option chain from here itself. So you can just click on the edit column, so you can also add gigs in here itself. Okay. And also if you want to see the chart of open interest, so यहाँ पे वो भी options है. So if you want to see the OI change or open interest, or you can see the IB, that means the implied volatility, and all the information is giving you the by the graphical base, so it's easy to identify. Like और यहाँ पे आपको values भी दिया जाएगा. So in the both ways you are we are giving the information, so you can easily find it out. Okay. So by this way we have completed today's webinar. So if you have any queries, doubts, please write out in the question box, so I can just answer one by one. Okay, Alok sir is asking, you don't have a trailing stop loss. Sir, it's available, but it's available in our empowered platform, not in the pro terminal, because we have not updated yet. But yes, in the next version, we have definitely come up with the trailing stop loss, that which will updated on the like coming 1 to 2 months. So that will helpful to you. But in the meantime you can check with the empowered. Here we have that facilities. Okay, Kishore sir is asking, I don't see the chart working properly when I using. Okay, Kishore sir, do one thing. Just log in through the incognito mode. So if it's working from there, so that means you have some malware, or you can say the viruses in your system. So what you'll do, you just clear your history and sachet over there. So after that, you just log in Pro Terminal, because Pro Terminal is a very sensitive website, you know. So that is the reason it keep hanging. So you just try once in the incognito mode. Okay, Alok sir, I will take it as a feedback, and let's see what we can do. Thank you, Alok sir. Thanks for your feedback. Any more question? Yes, Kishore sir, we already have some webinars in our YouTube. Please go to the HDFC Securities channel, and there we have a, like, you know, like n number of videos is there regarding to the Pro Terminal. So you can find the and also we have recorded some like, you know, single features recording, so that is it will easily to help you out to not to get confused. Okay, so today we thank you everyone for joining this webinar. So I know, like, protamil is a very vast subject, so very, you know, we can't cover all the feature in the one webinar. So basically, in the next webinar, we will cover, we will take a webinar to especially to the trader who are trading into the future options. So please attend that webinar and stay tuned with us. And thank you so much to joining this webinar. The great trading day ahead. Okay, thank you.